In this video, you are going to learn how to install WordPress with e-commerce support by using WooCommerce Plugin. Let's start. Open any browser. Access your hosting control panel. It may be S-Panel or C-Panel. In Hosting Control Panel, check Softaculous Application and click it. Search WordPress here. It will be in Blogs tab or click on WordPress block on home page. Here you can read about WordPress, explore its features or view screenshots or demos. Now click on Install. Here you have to change some basic settings. Select desired protocol, HTTPS is recommended. Select domain name where you need to start WordPress. Write name of folder, where you want to install, but it must be empty to install on your domain root. Select WordPress version, select latest. Type site name and description. Ignore these settings, otherwise check multi-site option to add multiple shops in single WordPress installation. Disable cron job for security purposes. Change username and password for admin user. You must change password. Type email address, it is important for password recovery. English is default language. Do not select any plugin for the time being. Now click on Install button below. Installation is started, wait. Congratulations! WordPress installation is completed. Here you can see two links, one for your website, another for WordPress control panel or dashboard. Click on WordPress dashboard link and here you can left panel for various settings related to WordPress. Click on Plugins and select Installed Plugins. Here you can see list of already installed plugins. Click on Add New button. Type WooCommerce in search box. Here you can see WooCommerce Plugin. Click on Install now and wait for completion. Now click again to activate the plugin. Here you have to perform basic settings of WooCommerce Plugin. Type information about your store location. And click Continue. Type information about your business and product types. And click Continue. Type information about your product nature. And click Continue. Uncheck recommended options. And click Continue to finish. Here you have select any theme. Theme defines the color scheme, layout, design, and appearance of your websites. Click on Free Theme and select any one by click Change button. Open your website link to view your website.